for me, even though you wouldn't do it for a reason. I would you do anything for me, even though you wouldn't do it for a reason.
Alright guys, so this is part of my makeover for my studio slash beauty room slash office, and these are basically some blocks that I purchased from Ikea. These are a part of the, I want to say, Ekby collection. Let me see if I can find a there we go. Oh, there. Yeah, this is the E-Kit. The E-Kit collection. Yeah, so these are originally 20 bucks, but I found them in the as-is section for $10. So I just decided to kind of stack them up so I can put my shoes in there, some extra pillows, and display a purse. And over here I have those boots that I did a review for from Lola's Boutique, and these are able to stand up because I used the hack with the noodles, the little floaty noodles. I got these from Walmart. They were 94 cents, but you can also find them at the Dollar Tree during the summer time. So that's how I'm able to keep these standing up. And then from there, you can see I was able to use this bar. Now this is actually used for the kitchen, but this idea came about because I was in a dressing room and I was trying on clothes, and I was like, oh my gosh, this would be nice to have at the house. Because I have a rolling rack from Ikea, but it takes up too much space and I don't want that to take up more floor space, so I decided to use the wall. So that's just really cute. And then above it, I have just a few pictures and plants, and I think it turned out really, really nice. You know, if you want to put your outfits together, you can put your shoes that you're gonna wear, your handbag, even some accessories, lay them out there, and then you can just hang up whatever you're gonna wear for a few days if you want. So yeah, that is it. And I'm just gonna show you guys one more time. Oh, this purse is so cute, and I haven't worn it yet. This is from Express. I got this around Christmas time. It was $20. Yeah, it was 50% off. So that's, again, my little DIY changing room station. So cute.